Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. And this might be the last ride on my Ninja. Yep, I kind of sold it. And yeah, some nice memories with this one, great memories with this one. Did some good rides, but sadly I had to let it go for something, yeah, something new, or something, you know, actually something bigger. I'm a bit on a taller side, and I was looking for something which is more comfortable for me, so I'm trying to do that. In the meantime, how was my experience owning a Ninja 400 for a year? Well, I would say it was a great experience. It was more than what I expected. I wasn't expecting such a nice bike. You know, it has good acceleration for a 400. Accelerates really well. It's light, easy to maneuver within the city. I even did some highway rides on this one, and to my surprise, was able to do 120, 130 easily, which again is what you require for a highway here in Canada. Yeah, no vibration. Like, you do get some vibrations once you cross that 100 kmph mark, but it's not that bad that you can't survive or anything. It's a 2-cylinder, right? So you won't find the smoothness of a 4-cylinder bike on a 2-1, right? But yeah, it's been a good ownership experience throughout the year. I didn't do much modification to the bike apart from putting a slip-on exhaust, which was much needed because the stock exhaust doesn't sound anything, and also it was quite big. I'm a size 12, so my boots always kept hitting on that one, and it was really uncomfortable, so I had to do that. Apart from that, I kept the bike stock. The reason was because I knew I wasn't going to keep it for a really long time. It was a stepping stone, basically. So I always knew, being a tall rider, smaller bikes are not that comfortable, and I like to go on long rides. I like to do like a few 100-kilometer trip every now and then. And on the Ninja, like, first I would say 45 minutes, an hour, that kind of ride is alright. You don't really feel that pain, but after that your butt starts to feel sorry on riding this bike. So and given that I'm tall and I had some back issues in the I had had some issues with my back for a long time, so that didn't help either. Yeah, I'm going to get something more comfortable, maybe a naked bike, or maybe some sport tourer or ADV, something that's more comfortable, that fits my budget. That's the first thing. I can't go with ADVs. They're really crazy price. But let's stop talking about all that. We are here to talk about my experience for owning a Ninja. Yeah, so few things. If you are looking to buy a Ninja 400, you can't really find them new anymore. Ninja 500 is coming this season, but if you are looking for one, go ahead, look around your dealerships. You might find a new one for a good deal, because the 500 is going to come in few months. It's already launched in Asian markets, and North American market will be getting it in this summer. So that's one thing. The other thing, you can also find decently used ones, something like mine, and you don't have to pay a lot. And they do come with ABS, so if you are starting on a motorcycle, ABS is a great safety feature to have. Definitely saves you in emergency situation. Normal days you won't really feel a difference, but when you have to do a emergency braking, a hard braking, then you really feel that, okay, ABS did help you, you didn't skid or slip. So that's something which you can keep in your mind. And the insurance is quite, well, I won't say, it depends on you, again, your driving experience too, but comparatively, if you go for anything, you'll find cheaper insurance on new 400s, because they're not that big, they're not that fast, not that powerful, so insurance is better compared to other bikes. And maintenance is quite low. You don't really have to worry about much. There isn't much to go wrong, first of all, so you don't have to worry about those. When it comes to electronic, the only thing electronic you have is your display and ABS. Obviously fuel injected is electronic, but I would say like you don't have traction control or anything else, like big things to worry about, modes or that stuff. So yeah, if you're looking to start riding, go for even if you're returning as a rider for after taking a long break, you can go for a Ninja 400. Has some wind protection. If you like naked, there is a Z400, so it's a good starting or returning point. It should always be helpful for someone. So, especially in the day-to-day ride in the city, that's really good.